What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, real quick, on the VTA mod, or vent to atmosphere mod, on the 2018 Ford Raptor. If you want a little bit more sound from that blow-off valve, stay tuned. Okay, let's start at the top. The tube that runs to the electronic blow-off valve, which is underneath the car, underneath the truck, starts at the bottom side of this intake tube. It's right here. That runs all the way down. Let me get my hand in the way. All the way down to the bottom. So I did the VTA mod plug, which is vent to atmosphere mod plug, and I will show you what that looks like underneath. The other option is you can actually disconnect this hose directly. Can't get underneath there to show you. Right there, you can actually disconnect this and put a chair cap on there. That's the super cheap. You disconnect it up top and you disconnect it down low and just remove that tube altogether. I went with a VTA mod plug because I didn't think a chair cap would hold up to the engine heat long term. I think there are plenty of guys that do it, and it's probably fine. You got to check them every once in a while, but it's one more thing I didn't want to worry about. So that's the top. Now, let's go underneath. I'll show you where all that stuff goes. So you've got your front skid plate. You've got that little door there that you typically use for changing the oil filter. Remove that, and where all that stuff ends up is right, sorry for the shaky video, right there. So you can see this right here is the electronic blow-off valve. I've bypassed that filter. I'll put a part number in there. This is, the air only exits this, but I wanted to cover it up. I also wanted to make sure the sound wasn't too loud, so I thought that filter would help. And then the actual tube that came from the top is right here. It comes down, I've zip tied it all together so it's nice and tight and out of the way. I don't know if you can see it, but that little silver plug on the end of that thing, there it is right there. That little silver plug is that little VTA mod. So that's what it looks like underneath the truck. Pretty easy, pretty clean, pretty simple to do. So there you go.